Hi, today we're going to go over how to change the battery in this key fob right here. This fits many models of various Dodge, Chrysler, and Ram models. So basically, if your key fob looks like this is how you change the battery. First thing you do on here is take your emergency key out, pull it out like that. And then you can either use your key or a coin, and you kind of put it in this slot here where the key came out. The slot over above the key came out, and you kind of just give it a little bit of a twist. I actually think a quarter works better. And just kind of slowly pry the two pieces apart. When they come apart, you lay them down, and this is what you have. Here's your battery. Take your handy dandy key and just kind of lift it out. Pops right out, and you can see this takes a CR2032 battery. So you just grab a new one, put it right back in, the flat side down. Take your key, push everything back together. Make sure it all snaps into place really well. Just like that. Insert your key back in here if you'd like. And there you go. That is all there is to it. So all you need is your key fob, quarter, and a CR2032 battery to change your battery in this key fob. Then you'll probably be good for another year or more. All right, good luck. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks, everyone.